Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be all about building Trent's truck. And there's going to be some trucks in here that was built prior. So let's get into it. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe. So here we go.
Shop. Trent goes, hey, we need to hook up the trailer. We got to go. So what are we exactly doing right now?
I want to pick up some wheels.
Going to pick some wheels up. Wheels up for what?
My truck.
Your truck. Oh.
Truck.
Am I going to be able to show them on here? No.
Okay, show them.
Okay, I'll show them.
Just don't show the power coat yet.
Okay. Can't show that, but. All right. See you guys. My question is, how does it feel finally to see your wheels?
You have no idea.
Oh,
It's been
3
months since I ordered them.
3 months?
Woo! Almost 3 months.
And what'd you go with?
28 by 16s.
28 by 16s. On boggers? Oh yeah, boggers for the
You already
win.
know.
Oh yeah. Well, can't wait to see them. Brad has Stacking Jack right there for getting those tires mounted and balanced, because whoo, nobody enjoys doing boggers, that's for sure.
It's called the Faraday Effect. It's the Faraday. It's exactly what it's called. So it's the same thing when you're spray painting. You're trying to get in there with all the freaking small cracks and shit. You have to do that first, then you have to go through and clean all this crap. Like I was just doing, wiping off with acetone, because you have to spray it and get all your inside corners, clean off the outside, all of it, and then respray the whole.
OBI. It's currently completely torn apart. No bumper, grill, or anything. Let alone, it's a spaceship right now. No axles, anything. Rock lights are all over the floor. Yeah. Motor is torn apart right now because he's trying to make like 1,000 horsepower on like a 30-inch lift. Crazy stuff. And actually, even better yet, can I show the interior? The interior is currently very, very torn apart. I'm kind of wanting to film a little bit as far as the truck actually being built, but get to a certain point and it's gonna all have to be posted after OBI, because that's where he wants to show it off at. Trent's building mounts for his air horns, which will go right below. I'll show you in a second. And right here for his air compressor to stand on the back of it. So about halfway through with all the rock lights. How many lights are going on here?
24.
You ready to see how it looks?
Yeah.
lights in, so now we're gonna check them out and see how they look in here. Everything's all done now. Trent, what are you doing?
Taking fucking plastic off.
Heck yeah. Dang, dude. It's like a mirror. I can literally see you.
Exactly. Even though it's saying it, and it still ain't clean.
True.
It's dirty as shit.
Yeah, that's
This
for
part
sure.
right here, you can really start to tell like it's really taking a toll on our body, and it is just destroying us. We're all getting sick, but you know what? We push through it.
Well, we got the axles in, coilovers, cradle, arm. Except for the rear. We're still waiting on that, but we'll get there here soon. Gonna clean up the body just a little bit because it's a little dusty, looks a little rough. But anyway, bed go on here soon. Got everything pretty much figured out. Not figured out, but working out with the headlight. Is it fully charged? Rear axle underneath it. Parts are about to go back in. Sitting right there, it got all marked up yesterday, so now just slowly it's coming together. Still got the whole interior to do. No carpet in, headliner, coilovers in, got the axles in, got the front arms in, cradle, back arms, rear axle, airbags. All the air management's done. So now, got to go through and tap every single one of these holes because powder coat isn't allowing the bolts to go in for the stainless to go on. So now that's what we're gonna do.
Put horns back on.
Oh yeah. Okay.
can stand up now.
Is this film worthy?
Oh, this is 100%. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh.
Sounds right.
Nick, brother, what are you doing? What? What? How's that working right now?
I mean, it's just like a rat's nest underneath here. You have fun. So what are you doing right now? What are you doing right now?
This video right here, you see what it's like to work at midnight because you are tired.
Man, you're the definition of a guy with a tooted truck.
You know it.
Hey, it's only money. How do you even get in that thing?
I don't. I park next to cars and climb up the cars to get there.
I can literally stand underneath your tailgate. Like, that's just not even right. All right, here you go. Here's the tape measure. Oops.
Oh, 11. Oh, wait.
I knew it had to
Whoops, my bad. Nope. Delete that right there.
Okay.
It's 112.
112 inches.
So 994.
9 4. Wow, it actually is. I'm surprised. I didn't think it would. I figured it had to be around 11.
You're
But
gonna see Kevin's van. Kevin's van, it's not like any other van you've ever seen before. Kevin's van, well, you guys can just see it for yourself.
well, it's the first time it's out of the shop. Trent's about to take it for a drive, so here we go.
So it's like 18 hours until we gotta be at Orange Beach. Getting wet sanded right now.
Oh yeah, let's put some wheels on.
Second wheel.
Oh yeah, let's put the boggers on now.
The moment
Woo! Look at those babies.
Hey, look at that. We got a person for a wheel. Person for tire.
Hey, you make that tire look small.
I do. You're fine,
Dude, this is like some NASCAR pit crew stuff right here.
Yeah, go up a little bit more, Kurt. One more, right there.
Oh yeah, how you feeling right now?
So fucking great.
Oh my gosh, this thing is stupid wide. Oh my gosh.
All right, there, you're level.
All right, truck's loaded up. See you guys at OBI.
getting the trucks all around. So we made it to OBI. All right, everything ended up working out perfect. Can't complain about anything. Amazing show. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, follow along for more.